Hi again, this is me, Kim. I have a really cool website that I found that I thought might be interesting, especially since most of us are staying home a little bit more than we did before. It's called Overdrive, and it lets you enjoy ebooks and audiobooks for free through your local public library or school library. So you just go to any browser and type in overdrive.com, click on Find a Library, and I'm going to put in Ventura because it's near where I live. So let's just click on that. The trade desk. No, I want an actual library. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Camarillo has a really nice library. Let's find their main library. School district. Camarillo Public Library. I don't know that. It says that's funny. Okay, anyways, that's the one I want. It says San Bernardino, but it's really that's interesting. It's really Camarillo, so anyways, I'm going there. So it says no library card, no card. Problem. I do have a library card, but I don't know what the number is or anything or the account because I got it so many years ago, so I'm just going to sign up for an instant digital card. Click on that. Put in your cell phone number. I'm obviously going to blur this out so you can't see it. Send my code. Now the code is going to come to my cell phone, and I'm going to type it in here. It's pretty simple. Verify. I'm going to put my name in. I don't want to put my email. I'm saying that I'm 13 years old. And I agree to their terms of use. So here we go. Continue. Okay, so look at that. Now we're in. So I can pick a book. You can use all the normal search tools. See an author? I don't even know. Oh, there's a book about John Wayne. Okay. We're on a wait list. That's interesting. Okay, so let's look for another book. Let's look for one by, okay, so here's a whole bunch I could pick from. Whatever, let's just pick this one. And it's going to let me borrow it for 21 days. I'll just say 7 days. Borrow. I can read with my Kindle. I can read in a browser, or I can download the book. I'll just read in the browser. And there we go. You just click to change pages. Interesting. Well, anyways, that's that. And you can just read it as you like. So that's pretty cool. It's free. So try it. See what you think. Now let's go see if we can find an audiobook. I think we go back here. I didn't do this before, so I've never... Oh, here we go. So here's audiobooks. Available now. Let's see what they have. Oh, Crazy Rich Asians. That sounds fun. Let's borrow that for 7 days. Borrow. So you get to download the book or listen in the browser. Let's listen in the browser. Here and press play.
Random House Audio presents Crazy Rich Asians by Kevin Kwan. Read for you by Lin Chen. Prologue.
So that's fun. It's free. And as much as your local library has, that's what you have access to. I hope you enjoyed this. Please click like and subscribe so you can find me again. Talk to you soon.